Hello again. So today we're going to do some more scratch repairs. Going to machine polish quite a deep scratch in a BMW 5 Series. The scratch was done a couple of years ago and it's been painted over with a touch-up pen to the matching colour. And I'm just going to go and try and sand it back with 2000 grit sandpaper and then machine polish it with a rotary and see if we can't get it to disappear to some extent. Never tried it before, so it's either going to work or it's not. I'll let you see the scratch and then we'll take it from there. So this is a car in question, and on this wing, as the camera focuses, there is a deep scratch. Let's ignore the raindrops. So I'm just going to give it a clay bar, use some Dodo Juice quick detailer, and I've got this cloth, which is actually got a, I'm not sure what the material is, but it acts just like a clay bar. It's actually an AutoSmart product. So again, sand the block to give me a flat edge and 2000 grit sandpaper. So, did a bit of sanding, haven't quite got the scratch down to where I would like it, but I'm going to give it a little polish just to make sure that I'm in control of the damage I'm doing to the paintwork basically. So, although we've maybe improved it, we haven't quite taken down the height of the touch-up paint. So I guess we need to continue. So it's finished polishing, and although we've got improvement, it's certainly not disappeared. So I think we'll maybe call that one a fail. I think the paint's a slightly different colour as well. like I say, it's certainly better, but by no means fixed. I may try pot sanding again, however I don't want to go right down through the paint.